In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pop music with Suno AI. Pop is one of the easiest and most rewarding genres to make with Suno because the model consistently delivers catchy choruses, modern-sounding vocals, emotional melodies, and a polished radio-style production feel right out of the box. If you're new to AI music creation, this will feel surprisingly straightforward while still giving you real creative control. Start by heading to Suno AI, log into your account, and click Create. For full control, switch to Advanced mode. This gives you more room to guide the sound, the vocals, and the overall vibe, which is exactly what you want when shaping a pop track that feels cohesive and intentional. Before you write anything, decide your pop style. Think about whether you want modern pop with a chart-ready sheen, sad emotional pop with tender vocals, dance pop that leans energetic and uplifting, dreamy pop with soft textures and floaty synths, or cinematic pop that feels expansive and dramatic. Choosing this direction first helps every decision that follows, from lyrics to production cues, line up around a single vision. If you want vocals, add lyrics in the lyrics box. Keep the structure simple: verse, chorus, and maybe a bridge. Verses can tell the story in clear, short lines. The chorus should be the emotional center with a memorable hook you can repeat. A bridge can provide contrast by changing the perspective or intensifying the feeling. Aim for lines that are easy to sing and avoid overly long sentences. This helps Suno place the words naturally on the melody. Next, describe your vocal and production details. In your text prompt, weave in useful keywords like catchy chorus, radio ready, emotional vocals, modern synths, polished production, atmospheric pads, and layered harmonies. Combine these with your chosen style so Suno understands both the genre and the finish you want. For example, you might say you're after a modern pop sound with emotional vocals, a catchy chorus, and polished production built on modern synths, atmospheric pads, and layered harmonies for lift. When you're ready, click Create to generate the song. Suno typically returns two versions, each with different vocal melodies and production choices. Listen closely to the choruses first, since that hook will carry the whole track. Pick the version where the chorus feels instantly memorable, where the melody lands cleanly on the lyrics, and where the vocal emotion matches your style choice. That strongest chorus is your winner and the foundation of a pop track that truly connects.